Click the button, Add New Item, to add a new line to your invoice at the end. Enter the description, quantity and unit price, then the line total will be calculated automatically. To remove the last line you added, simply click the button Remove Last Item Row. You'll see a list of available tax types to choose from. If you want to set up a different one, go to the Tax Setup tab and add it to the end of the list. If you don't want to set up tax, simply select the empty value from the drop-down, and no tax will be applied. You can also adjust the tax rate by entering your desired percentage. There are two ways to apply a discount. The first is by percentage. Make sure percentage is selected under the discount setup, then adjust the discount rate. Alternatively, you can choose the fixed amount option and enter the amount you wish to apply. Additionally, you can enter value next to amount applied, such as credit from a previous invoice, which will be deducted from this invoice.